Good morning students, welcome to your English language class. Today I am going to explain your chapter 4, that is adjectives. So children, what do you understand by adjectives? A word that tells you more about a noun is called adjective. And in another word we can say adjectives are describing words. Example, a big boy. A big boy. So big is a adjective here, the noun. Boy is a noun here. And we always adjective placed before the noun. So let's start. Work in pairs and conduct the conversation twice. You and your partner will take turns to ask the questions. So here is some questions. Number 1 is, how are you bringing the snacks for the party? The answer is, I am bringing them in a box. We will write here a box because box is a noun here and we will use our adjective a here. After that, question number 2, what kind of snacks are you bringing? I am bringing fresh snacks. Fresh is telling about our noun, that is our snacks is fresh. After that, question number 3, how many people will be there? There will be many people. We can write many, or we can write any number also, many or 10. These words are describing our noun, more about noun. Now, words that give us more details about noun are called adjectives, as you know children, like Uncle Joe is a talented cook. So talented is a adjective. And he is also a very funny man. Funny is also adjective here. The adjective in these sentences give us a better idea about the person we are talking about. Our exercise A, choose the correct adjectives to complete these paragraphs on India. So, in the north of India, there are HIGH, high mountains. Mountain is a noun here, and this describing high is describing our noun, that is mountain. After that, called the Himalayas. In the west, one finds Thar, a hot desert. H-O-T, hot. There is desert. Desert is a noun and hot is describing our noun. Hot desert. After that, the flag of India has 3 bands. THREE, 3 bands. 3 is the adjective here. 3 bands and 1 wheel. 1 is also adjective here. After that, India has many languages, M-A-N-Y, many languages and cultures. It is the blank country, second country, S-E-C-O-N-D, second country after China, have more than 1 billion people. Now, some more points are here. Adjectives can describe different things about noun, like beautiful, terrible, smart, angry, funny, shaky. These adjectives tell us something about the nature of nouns. What these adjective tells? These adjective tells about the nature of noun. We can say adjective of quality also of it. And these tell us how much of a noun is being talked about. This adjective tells us that how much of a noun is being, like many, much, some, enough, little. In these adjective we cannot count of these adjectives. That is called adjective of quantity. We cannot count adjective of quantity. 1, 10 million. These tell us the exact number of something. So this is called adjective of number. Adjective of number we can count like 1, 10, 3, 4. And third one is third, 17th, 100th. These all us the exact position of something. These adjectives tells us a noun's exact position. Now here is exercise B. Look closely at the adjective you used in exercise A. Place them in the correct boxes below. So nature, in nature what can we write? We will write like hot, H-O-T, hot. Hot is a nature here. How much? In how much we can write many, because many we cannot count. Many we cannot count, that is how much. After that number 1, 2, 3, any number we can write in it, and this adjective of number we can count it. After that position, in the position we can write high, second, third. We can write any kind of position here. So these were your adjectives. There is next exercise, exercise C. Make this paragraph more interesting by adding one adjective in each sentence. Number 1, it was a day for Emma. So it was a day. There is no adjective, but we will add in this sentence. It was a day. It was a day. It was a hot day. It was a hot day. Hot is an adjective here. We will add hot in this sentence. Hot is an adjective here. So it was a hot day for Emma. Second one, she had finally found the book that she had been looking for. So we will write like this. She had finally found the book. She had found the English book. English is an adjective here. It is telling about our noun. And noun, what is the noun here? Noun here, book. Book is a noun here. English book. So English is describing our noun, that is book. English book that she had been looking for. In this way, children, you will complete this exercise. After that, we are going play. You will be assigned a secret classmate by your teacher. You have to write a short paragraph describing her, him. Your teacher will read out each description in class. The class will have to identify who is being described. So children, here we will write one paragraph on anyone. You can write on a boy, you can write about your friend. So here we can write about our friend, like my friend. For example, we can write my friend name is Rahul, and then we can write he is a smart boy. So smart is a adjective here. He's a boy, but which kind of boy is he? He is a smart boy. So smart is describing our noun, that is boy. And we can write also that he has black hair. So black is an adjective here which is describing our noun, that is hair. So in this way, children, you will complete this exercise. Now we are moving on the next page, that is learning with ladybird. Sometimes we use more than one adjective in a sentence. We often use 2 and sometimes we use 3. When we use more than one adjective, we put them in a special order. Special order kya hai, children? We can see in the chart. First we will write our noun's opinion, like beautiful, bad, great, nice, sad, happy. After that we can write size, like little, big, small, tall, long. After that we can write temperature, hot, cold, warm, then thin, shape, thin, fat, age, old, young, new, color, blue, black, red, green. So in this way, children, we can write our adjectives if there is one or more than 2 adjectives are there in the sentence. Look, here is some examples. A beautiful big blue house. So beautiful, big, blue, these are adjectives which is describing our house. And a nice big hot dinner. So nice big hot, these are also adjectives and that is describing our dinner. Here is a definition of adjective. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. Then adjectives more than one in a sentence. Yes. Like a happy little alien. Second one, a small fat dog. A nice cold ice cream. We can match like this. And after that last one, a long cold, after that a long hot summer. Okay, children. So children, in this way we will complete our exercises. Write the words in the correct order. Correct order is a dirty. Firstly we will write a dirty little, L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Firstly we will write our size, our opinion, that is dirty, then our size, that is little, then we will write our age, that is old ball. So in this way, children, we will complete our exercises. Hope you enjoyed your adjectives and understood very properly. So thank you so much.